So Pesa printed me some things, which is like these ones and these ones. I'm gonna actually see if they fit. Here they are. I measured these myself, so they might not fit. So these are like little block off clips that are supposed to be going in here. They're a little small, but they work pretty well. They're supposed to be going in here. Well, they need a little double-sided tape, but they're decent fitting. They don't fall out, which is a good thing. All the flies are inside my car now. Ah! They actually stay in. DM Big Pesa for more 3D printed things. Ha ha ha.
There's a dog about, Mark. There's a Hamish outside. Hello!
Is it still broken?
Yes. I will
Nice.
fix it soon.
James is here as well.
You doing your own vlog?
Yes. Coffee.
So apart from you hitting your exhaust apart,
My exhaust is fine.
what about this? What about the bottom of your car? You hit it. There's grass under there yesterday, wasn't there?
Yeah. We'll find out soon enough.
And the fact that my bike fan wasn't working, but now it is. So that's good.
The best thing is that we're getting better MPG than a Range Rover.
Yeah, but not only by a couple of. I mean, it adds up. It does add. It does add up.
It's not great, but
It does add up. So one. What was it? So this is last place with 7 miles per 1 litre.
Yeah.
Yours is doing 8 to 9 miles per litre.
Yep.
And mine's doing 10 to 12 per litre. Not sure exactly, but it's about between 10 and 12. Yeah, the silvers does look similar silver, doesn't it? In pictures it will look the same.
But like in person, it's very obvious what parts of your bike have been replaced.
Oh yeah.
Because like the rear back is like a way different shade of grey. That's like nearly just the color grey of my car.
Yeah.
And then the tank is like 2 shades darker.
Yeah, it's all been resprayed, isn't it? So.
It's only been resprayed in bits.
Yeah, and all the stickers are missing as well if you look. Like, no, it's supposed to say like VFR750 and stuff like that all across it, but it doesn't say that. And 750 FS and stuff like that, but it doesn't say anything.
Full power of dreams, baby.
It's just the clean look, which is I actually like it. To be honest, I actually like it without the decals.
It looks decent.
Hi, welcome to Corey's World. This is Corey. Today we're going to be showing you how to fix a fan on your motorbike.
It's not how to fix, how to bodge.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just started running that way.
I mean, it's just what it sounds, but I feel like that does. Unless they make a deal that works for everyone. Yeah, for like that's mental.
Do you want to come on the back, Ian?
Never buy a second-hand bike of Big Pesa.
We've got a spare helmet. Hello, Hamish. Hamish. I think it's fixed. It's bodged. So now put it back together again. And I hope I remember how to put it so it goes back together again.
With my motorcycle repaired, we decided, let's have a barbecue. So, me and Callum went to go get some supplies, and also I went to go fix his computer, and Ian and Mark decided to go get some meat from the local butcher, which is like 20 miles away.
It's a very unique looking car, isn't it?
You should have made him stop looking.
He should have carried on because we were 2.
Yeah, you should have done really, but yeah. Oh, buddy.
Sounds nicer, doesn't it?
Sounds easier than mine, probably.
3.2, yeah.
Skipping gears like a boss.
I don't know if you're going to be able to keep up with him.
Something tells me I will.
You have local knowledge.
Exactly. I know where you can go speed up on this road. If Mark won't.
It's again Invernew. No. Inverview Garden Centre.
Inverview Gardens, but yeah.
Inverview Gardens.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
I guess you would prefer the garden centre because it's like W's or some shit like that.
Not really, but yeah. Definitely worth the visit, isn't it? Jeez, it's roasting here now, isn't it?
I know, yeah.
Let's get moving. Must have been a big bit of wind to knock that down.
That was, I mean, you can see it just snapped in barbecue.
That's a lot of wood.
We want this biochar. That's what they'll be doing.
Biochar.
Yeah.
Charcoal.
I might show you, if we're heading back along the service road, which we probably will, I'll show you the...
It's a bit up. This is a bit up.
Normally a pretty shit display to be honest, but...
Oh, that's not a fish, it's a leaf.
Oh no, there's no fish in there.
But to be fair, you can...
You put stones underneath it, that's why.
Oh yeah, watch out. There's stones underneath. It's a little bit
I
unstable.
think I do need to season them because they don't cook.
Just a little bit of peppery or something on them.
What is a shit?
Review, freshly stolen.
I don't know what
Got a bit
you're
of a kick.
getting.
It's very nice.
I can't think what I
Very
put.
cool, very swag.
Highly
It's like
recommend.
bigger than the chicken foot
I'll
though.
take 4 more.
You ever see that usually, no?
You shot like a baby.
Yeah.
Slightly dark.
Take 4 again.
You won, yes?
Play.
I'm supposed to get the in bit,
If
that's
you-
what
And
happened.
there's a lot of problems here with the
Are you
companies
sitting
are
on
actually getting more because they're
Come on.
using too much electricity
Ah.
at times and things like that.
They're looking for it, but you-
Oh, he's,
than it is to actually generate
he's
electricity.
angry now.
Oh, well, the dog and James were happy after the barbecue, and then the midges came out. Midges.
Got it, right.
I hear spinning's a good trick. He's smart, you see. He knows that if he stands still, the dog.
You'll come to me.
They are playing good a game of cat and mouse here, aren't they?
All the pictures and like stuff with like the cake and stuff like that.
It like doesn't fly, but it goes really close.
You guys just doing your thing, right? It's not like that's so cool.
If everything had been quite in pretty like normal weddings, it just wouldn't have been.
No, but that's the thing. It's like it's all you, and that's
You still got that robe, haven't you?
Yes, we still use it.
Yeah.
It'll be a nice lazy Sunday or Saturday playing games. I'm in my bathroom and
You're tiring out this dog rather than your dog.
But that's awesome because it's like people that you know, right? It's not like, oh, we just invited to a wedding. Was here as well. So Eric just bolts past everyone into the high grass. I'm a Rasta now.
Oh, and then you go, and then this thing runs through.
Fucking Smidge Transporter 2000. Goodbye, Amish.
Soggy doggy. Clouds are too close to the ground.
We've been over this, Perry.
They're not. We need that cloud insurance. You thought I was stupid getting the cloud insurance, but
yeah.
they're plotting. Tomorrow we'll get them. Yeah, I know we'll get them tomorrow. We'll get them tomorrow.
I'm here this time, I do too.
I do too. Yeah, I do too.
But in this case, the air has flipped so that the colder air is lower down and the warmer air is up top.
That's pretty cool.
So they come down.
Clouds kind of forming at a much lower altitude.
Much lower altitude.
Yeah, instead of being in the sky, they're usually quite low to the ground.
So
But
Apple
usually
Cross
it's
will be.
cold air that's
Yes! That'll do. Yeah, I got one, good. Nice. It's a one, but it was a big one. Hey, a two, it's a oneer. Well, that was a big one. Oh, wow! That's sick. Okay, Callum wins. Come on. Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. Here you go.
Well, the next day we decided we're going to go to a gin distillery and then go for a hike.
No vaping.
I don't think you're allowed any sparks in a distillery.
I think that was made out of myrtle. Bog myrtle, but we don't say bog for drink purposes, so we just say myrtle. It's myrtle, gorse blossom, elderflower, lavender, and there's a bit of coriander in there.
Let's have a smell. I don't want to drink it. Oh yeah.
It has a good smell.
Quite a
You really do
complex
get the
aroma
lavender out of
in
it.
that one.
You did really taste the lavender in there. I like it.
Everything here is bad. So it's bad. Everything's very bad here anyway.
Smells sweet as well.
Who might win this?
We haven't gone the whiskies yet.
Dead before you be drunk.
Yeah, but Mark's a big vessel, so.
Slightly peated, and the Tuscan oak wine one is slightly more peated.
I like the peaty one.
Like peaty?
I prefer the peaty.
I'll take whatever they do.
That's the one that interests me the most. The old.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna get a lot of proper peaty whiskies
No.
on in there.
I like the liquid as well.
This one
Thank you.
is quite nice with a little bit of water just to
Just unlock it.
Harry, can I smell that?
Yeah.
A little bit
So
of
kicking the.
the water just opens up
I
the
was gonna say that's
fibres.
not actually.
Oh,
No.
Need a pipette just a drop,
That's
because
right.
it's a very harsh burning taste usually. Just you have a few drops with water just to unlock the flavour.
Exactly. Do you want to do my job?
No. I drink a lot of whiskey and I hate when people put ice in it because it's like
Yeah.
it's cold. Now your taste buds are constricted. You can't get the flavour, and then when the ice goes, it dilutes it too far,
Yeah.
and you lose the taste anyway.
You
So
need a couple of drops of water and body temperature.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's quite like smoky, I would try and say. That's good.
That's what the peat does.
Oh.
So what we do is we store some in a chard. But this is a bag of botanics. It goes into the bottom of a 100-litre still. So it's not a huge quantity when you look at it. This is for our Bannick gin. And that is placed in the bottom of the still in the evening. And then 50% water, 50% ethanol. And then we leave it to soak overnight. And then in the morning it's switched on. They're heated by gas. And these are paella cookers. Heated up to about 80 degrees Celsius where the evaporation process takes place. So it evaporates up through the swan neck and then it goes into a spiral. You'll see in that one closest to you. It's just water that's in the cooling chamber. And that cools it down as quickly as possible and then it comes out in the little spout as 80% gin. The first 5 or 10 litres it comes out we keep aside because it's quite oily and it's quite rich in the botanics and it's not very nice to drink. But it's 80% gin and it's perfect for making our hand sanitizer.
Now, when you're going for a hike in certain parts of Scotland, you see these signs. Yes, these hikes are a bit more challenging than the hikes you'd probably say get in Surrey, where everything's bulldozed and signposted very well. Thank you very much, Cassie, for leading the way, because I definitely wouldn't have been able to do this route. Even though sections of this route are marked, they're not on the map.
Yep.
You go down here
Yeah.
and then cut across to there.
Yep.
And then
Across
we've
the
got a
river.
choice. We can either come back that way, which will be dry underfoot and quite rough, or go through this like boggy bit down to this path
Yep.
here
And then come back up.
and come back up.
Well, we see how we feel when we get to this point and we observe. But it's been dry over a week, so
Exactly, it's
it
been
might be
dry.
alright.
Yeah, but looking at the sky, it's not going to be dry for a little while longer.
Ah, it's fine, we'll see.
It's going to be warm. Make it cool.
Public right of way, I guess you could drive a motorbike.
Like a fucking hit.
Could have.
Yeah, you can park closer. Beautiful metallic colours. But they're stupid, because they always walk up and down paths, so you'll see them.
Yeah, there's quite a few.
And then when they get stuck upside down, we normally kick them like over.
That's why they're all dead.
Yeah. In the Netherlands we call them May beetles.
Good job, Eric.
Way to a crashed plane, World War plane, which is considered a grave, so they can't touch it, I think. So that's why it's still there. Off-roading.
Easier sometimes.
Or there's a one of Mark's old cars at the top here. It's leaking.
And then the flies get caught because it's like sugary sap, and then it curls over and digests the flies.
Oh. I had one of them as a pet when I was a kid.
So Venus flytrap, but mini.
Pretty much, yeah.
It's called sundew.
Crashed plane that we're going to see, or the remains of, is the end of World War II. These troops and everything were flying back to America, and there's not an exact reason on how they crashed, but there's very good theories. For whatever reason they were off course, they don't exactly know why, and it meant that they were flying over Scotland when they should have been flying over the sea. They had a bit of an engine fire, so they decided to throttle on to maybe run out of fuel, and then it would burn out, the fire would just burn out. Unfortunately, they saw a mountain in their wake. The pilot has pulled back with such force that it ripped the wings off, and it broke up in the air and then ploughed into the ferry locks.
Went out in the middle of the night on a classified mission. It's still classified.
Heading home, and they ended up there.
Yeah, they'd survived the war.
Only to.
Yeah, there's a bit of
That's no fish. Bit more visible, Michael.
Yeah, oh yeah, 'cause it's one at the back of the island there as well. RAF.
Yeah.
RAF couldn't get the men back.
So they actually started making their own mountain rescue teams, and that's where the whole modern mountain rescue comes from.
Yeah, it's places full of military bases. It is.
Yeah, well,
Some marine bases as
if
well.
you want to see proper military history.
See what you think. But
Completely perished yet.
Shows you how durable they made them back then.
Yeah. How is this rubber still here, Mark? Look, it's rubber.
It's American quality.
American rubber.
Fuck yeah, Perry. You cleaned your car beforehand, right?
They do flow low, don't they? Low and slow.
you got whiskey?
So this is.
Basically what you're saying is Perry just moved his stone, so someone's.
So this is.
Yeah, now Perry's.
So it's a drunk trial, is it? It's a whiskey crawl.
He was very popular and he wanted to be buried right in the hills. It was like 6 miles right into the middle of nowhere. Apparently the entourage, there was like 50 people and they would take turns carrying the coffin. The
Perfectly flat, that's so weird.
I thought the horizon.
I know, but look, there's normally a few mountains or so. See,
Boy. Good boy.
oh, true
I'm not going to go here.
Eric, move. Go on, Perry. Oh, there.
No pressure. Mark, you're going to film me?
Big pesa, big jump. Oh, he made it! Eric, he made it!
No, this way. Oh, no.
You just skip the hard bit. There's a nice hard bit.
You look a bit red.
Oh no, I'm fine actually.
Okay. Not as bad as when we did Benny Enny.
What?
As long as, didn't look as bad as when we were at Benny.
Oh, you should have seen.
But you are starting to sweat. You're starting to sweat. You do see. You look a bit of a sweaty boy now.
I'm always a sweaty boy.
Yeah, but damn, he's sweaty. Well, let's go down to the beach. Might as well. But what was this for? Was this actually for driving up?
Perry, just step on like a first step forward.
Nah.
Well, it just goes over the water.
So they've wrote in the sand, dream.
A dream.
A dream. What do you want to write, Mark?
What should we write?
What dream really?
We stopped for a breather on the beach, or the loch, but the midges came out.
It's starting to rain now. Oh, I think it's going to be a big rain.
Big rain.
Big rain.
It absolutely started pouring down with rain, so I had to put the camera away. Down south, in London area and all that, there was 40 degrees almost, or around that. Where we were, it was 20 plus and rain, and it got quite cold in the evening, so we had to get the fireplace on. Anyway, that's the end of this video, or episode. Thanks for watching, like, comment, whatever, and look forward to the next one.